Articles a and the, a cat, a TV, a cow, a book, an umbrella, an igloo, and egg, an igloo, an umbrella, an ant, an elephant, the tiger, the cat, the cow, the bear. Assertive sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. I am a girl, you are a boy. Parts of speech, kinds of parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjections. Interrogative sentence. How plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. How did you go? How did you come to? Imperative sentence. Verb plus object. Open the door, close the window. Exclamatory sentence. How plus adjective plus subject plus verb. How tall you are, how long you are. What is noun? Noun, understand the name of the persons of things. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Proper noun. Suresh is the villain boy, Suresh proper noun. Common noun, the cow gives us milk, cow common noun. Collective noun, student, army. Materials noun, gold is a valuable metal, gold materials noun. Abstract noun, it expresses the emotions. Was in the is no more, we have won the match. Who was it. Pronoun, what is pronoun? Pronoun, understand the name. Understand instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school, he is going to the school. Verb. Verb, understand the working or actions. He is playing football, he is going to the school, he is swimming in the river. What is adverb? Adverb modifying to the verb. He was fast, he is ran slowly. Was fast slowly is adverb. Preposition, it understand the position of the noun, tall boy, short girl, long stick. Conjunction, it understand the adding or sentence but or. Interjection, it expresses the emotional words. Parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjections.